Hi, kindergarten. This morning I thought I would talk about some symbols that you've been seeing in your math, okay? I've seen a lot of really good work with these symbols, but I think they're a little confusing and we didn't get to talk about them a whole lot before school's closed. So there are 4 symbols that we're going to look at today. Actually 3, but one of them just gets flipped around. So we have one that looks like this. We have one that's flipped around that looks like that. We have one that looks like this, which we know we've seen a lot. And then this week and last week you had one that looked like that. Okay? So we're going to start with these 2 today because I believe that most of you remember what this symbol means. And if we just cross it out, it's pretty easy to know what the other one means. So I'm going to just leave these up here for us to look at. We're going to do some work down here. So if I have okay, first of all, who remembers what this symbol is? We have 2 lines like this. What is that symbol? Good. Equals, right? We know 2 plus 1 equals 3. Whatever's on this side of the equal sign is the same as whatever's on this side of the equal sign. Might look a little bit different, but they mean the same thing. If it's the same amount, they are the same. They are equal. Okay? So if we just look at this picture, let's count these dots. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Are those the same? Yeah, so they are equal. Okay? Now I could switch it up a little bit. And I could do 1 plus 2. This is a tricky one. Okay? So 1 plus 2 is how many? 3, right? Does 3 equal 3? Yeah, so that still makes sense. Equal. Okay? What if I do tallies? Are those still equal? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 3 equals 3. Does that make sense? Okay, so anytime we have an equal sign, it means that the things on both sides are the same. Okay, let's go back to circles on both sides. What if I do this? Are they equal? No, why not? Yeah, this one has 4, and this one has 3. 4 and 3 are not the same, so they are not equal. So we show not equal by drawing a line through it. So 4 is not equal to 3. These are not the same. Okay, let's switch up this side. Got tallies this time. So 4 circles and 2 tallies. Are they equal or not equal? Not equal. So we're going to draw the equal sign and cross it out. Okay, pretty easy peasy. Equal, not equal. If they're the same, we need the equal sign. If they're not the same, we need the not equal sign. All right, so you're going to see a lot of that on your worksheet this week, but I wanted to go back and talk about these symbols too. We have greater than, less than. Okay, and I want you to think of these as little alligator mouths. Okay, if we pretend like there's some teeth in there, now they really look like alligator mouths, right? And the alligator mouth loves to eat the bigger number. Okay, so they love to eat more and more food, so they like the bigger number. So let me draw a picture here again. Okay, now I know it is so much fun to draw the teeth in our symbols, but we're not actually going to draw those when we're doing our math. That's just a way for you to remember, okay? So if we look here, how many dots do we have on this side? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so remember we have 3 over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. Which number is bigger? Yeah, the 5 is bigger, so we want our mouth to face the 5. Do you see how it looks like it's going to go over there and eat the 5? Good. So since the mouth is facing that way, it means this one's greater and this one's less. So we could read it like this. 3 is less than 5. If we wanted to read it backwards, we could say 5 is greater than 3, because the mouth is eating the greater number. Okay, let's try another one. Switch up the pictures. And I know on your worksheets you've had some fingers holding up, right? Those are kind of hard for me to draw, so I might just do tallies. So let's try one. Okay, so who can tell me how many tallies this is? 5 and 1 is 6. Good. 6 and 2. Which number is greater? 6 or 2? Good. 6. So this time the mouth is going to eat which number? The first one. So we have to turn our mouth around. So 6 is greater than 2. Okay, the mouth is eating the bigger number. One more. Let's try it with a number sentence. Let's go 2 plus 3 on this side. And I'm just going to write a number over here. No pictures this time. Ooh. We have 2 plus 3, and we have 10. Okay, now you might say, well, 10's a big number. I know that one's biggest. I'm just going to guess that one. But should we always check our work and make sure it makes sense? Yes. So what is 2 plus 3? 5, right? So we have 5 and 10. Which one is the greater number? Yes, 10. So show me, are we going to do a mouth this way, or are we going to do a mouth this way? Everyone show me, this way or this way? Good. If you said this way, you are right. 10 is greater than 2 plus 3, which is 5. Okay, so we have greater than, less than, equal, not equal. All right, guys, have fun with your math. Let me know if you have any questions.